So here we are. We're at Broke Lake Falls near Frenchburg, Kentucky, and this is absolutely incredible. What do you guys think of it?
Slippery.
It's very slippery. You better be careful and bring some trekking poles if you decide to visit. But this is absolutely incredible. It is part of the Red River Gorge, and it is probably, if I had to guess, we're looking at probably about 100-foot tall waterfall that has a walk. If you can see behind us, there's a trail right under this mountain that you can walk behind the falls. So come prepared. It'd be a great place for a picnic, and there is a trash can down at the bottom. I don't know who would use that trash can. You better shoot a 3-pointer. All right, that is incredible. We'll talk to y'all later.